Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a part visible when you step on a trigger. So this is really simple, but I'm not doing like I want this part to completely not be in workspace yet. So you're basically adding a part from somewhere and making it go into workspace. It's really simple to do this. You might be thinking, well, just make can't collide off and then visit nah. So follow my steps if you want to do this. It's really actually cool what you can do with this. So if you get the kit, changing part kit, if you open it up, you'll see something and just drag this into workspace. Then you're gonna see an open script, which for people using directions. If you just open this, you don't need it since you're already on my video, but this is what you would normally read. So we can just delete that. And then we have a script that's trigger. You can just drag this inside the workspace and then inside the trigger. And then drag server storage. Actually, we could customize. If you want to customize your part, this is a part. So this is going to be a trigger, right? It's our trigger. If we touch this, we are basically gonna spawn this part inside the game. So actually we'll customize it a little bit. We'll just make BrickColor to blue. Also make sure it's anchored. I forgot to anchor it. Sorry about that. And now drag, actually, if you want, inside the workspace, you can just duplicate the trigger part and delete the script and rename it to spawn. So this is going to be so we know where the part is actually going to be visible. Oh my gosh, why? Sorry for lag. So this is where it's going to be visible. So if we place it here. Why is my studio lagging so much? Whatever. Alright, so if we place that there, and now, oh, there we go. Okay, so we place that there, right? So now if we drag server storage inside of server storage, you see the part's not going to be visible. So it's actually not inside the game yet. Well, it is, but it's not going to be for players because players can only see things in workspace. So now if we open up the trigger script and we do script.Parent .Touch, so when it is touched, and we then do connect, and we connect that to a function. So now if we do, we'll do so you add a local, right? Local, and we'll do local. This is gonna be our local, we're local insert part is equal to game.ServerStorage.serverstorage.Part. So now that once you have that, if we do insert part, and then we want to clone insert part, then we clone it. We want it to clone, and then we do insert part.Parent is equal to workspace. So also we can put hit inside these, and if we do if hit.parent is equal to, or no, if we do if hit and if we do if hit and hit.parent FindFirstChild and if the first child is a humanoid, sorry guys, I think I'm sick. If that is a humanoid, we can run our code. So we go down, we can copy this and we can then put it inside here. So basically, let's explain this. Script.Parent, when touched. This is basically just simple stuff, right? When the trigger is touch, it will run whatever's under it. So then it's going to run this. It's going to check if it's a humanoid. And if it is a humanoid, we can then run our code, which I made a variable for local insert part, which is talking about, this is basically just another word for the part that's in server storage is going to go inside the workspace. So I just made a variable, connect it to that. And then, again, once it's touched, I want the insert part to clone. And after it's done cloning, it can, when you're saying parent, that basically just, because if you just do insert part, it's actually not going to go inside workspace. And if you just do InsertPart.Parent, which is just gathering like the whole insert part, and you put that into workspace. You don't gotta do game.ServerStorage.serverstorage.Part. This is why they added workspace, just for like stuff like this. We can also change the color, so InsertPart .BrickColor. So once it's .BrickColor is equal to BrickColor.new, and if we do like, let's turn it to black, or we'll turn it to red, really red. So you see, we turned it to cyan in workspace, but now once I'm in server storage, so once it goes into workspace, it's gonna turn red. If we test this out, you'll see that it will work. It should work, honestly. Not sure why it wouldn't. So you see it's not there. Now it's there, and it also turns red. It's gonna create multiple after you touch this. All I need to do to fix that is after this, you just do script.Parent.CanTouch is equal to false. It's also a good way to script like a car model, like, you know what I mean, like a car spawner is what I meant. You can also use proximity props to do this. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. So I was not only just demonstrating that because I was demonstrating that just because you guys can actually use this to like make the server storage inside server storage instead of the part. You make it like a car or something. So this is a good way to actually learn that. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later.